Assembly instruction, mini cruiser. Tools needed. Screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1, double open-end wrench. Allen wrench. Step 1. Unpack the bike. Pull the framed all parts, charger, toolkit, mantle, keys, fuse, pedals, out of cardboard box. Ensure all the following. Pichasari Ingadek with the Nakto mini cruiser. Step 2. Install the front wheel. While keeping the lever open, lift the front of the bike and lower the fork onto the wheel axle. Hold the lever in line with axle and tighten the thumb nut on the opposite side. Note: insert the inside gadget into the slot in the vide. Use tools to set screws. Then put the rubber sleeve over the nut for protection. Step 3. Install the handlebar. Loosen the bolt on the top of the steer stem with the tool. Remove the stem, bolt and washer and set aside. Then you can install the handlebars onto the steer stem. Pass the stem bolt through the washer mounting point and the stem mount. Align the stem so the handlebar is perpendicular to the front wheel. Then you need to tighten the bolt in the top of the steer stements more. This ensures balance. Step 4. Install the headlights. Follow the steps in the video to install the headlights. Tighten the screws to secure the lights so the lights are installed. Step 5. Adjust the front brake system. Tighten the screws too. Make sure the tire is vertical. This is what it looks like when adjusted vertically. Tighten the screws to complete this step. Step 6. Install the seat. Assemble it like the video. Step 7. Install the pedals. Identify the right and left pedal with this 2-letter. The left pedal's reverse threaded and tightens counterclockwise. The right pedal's threaded to tighten by turning clockwise. Step 8. Charge the battery. Connect the cable. Last step, tighten all the screws. That's finish it. Let's have a look. Register warranty card with us ASAP. Keep proof of purchase in a safe place. Keep packing and box for at least 2 weeks from the date of purchase, as we do not provide a box for return if needed.